Happy Wednesday, my guys. It's been a pretty good week for me. Hopefully a great week for you as well. This Friday, is what the tracker says, my exhaust will be here. The ETS muffled exhaust, which I'm pretty pumped about. And then I think I'll have the time to do that Saturday or Sunday, and I'll have the time to finish the speakers. I've got to do the rear speakers. I'm pretty excited about that, to finish out the sound for the car, so the car sounds great, inside and outside. And then of course when we're saving, gonna start saving, finish up saving for the J-pipe. So we've got the holidays, obviously. So hopefully shortly after the holidays, I'm hoping Q1, that'll be when I get the J-pipe, and we'll make some really great power. I'm actually helping get the tune all set up for one of my subscribers right now. For his car, he just got a turbo back exhaust, and it's going to be making some killer power, which is really, really exciting. I'm excited to see some of his pulls once everything's dialed in. Right now we're just kind of getting the air-fuel ratio right and trying to find out what's the max boost that we can safely push on the turbo. But it's pretty exciting. Today said we had already dialed everything in for his tune before he got the turbo back, and now he got the turbo back, and man, that thing makes a massive difference for the air-fuel ratio. It pushes way more air. So props to ETS for making such a good system. And that's probably where I'll end up going as well for my J-pipe 1, because they're really the only option at the moment, unless somebody else comes out with a better product, or a less restrictive product. I think that one's about as without going catless, it's about as unrestricted as you can get. But who knows if somebody else will make a non-California approved version that for us. I don't want to go catless, but if they deleted one of the cats, I would be okay with that, because we don't have emissions here in my state. The only reason I wouldn't want to go catless is just because when you're catless, you get boost creep. And so essentially what happens is the car over boosts past where you want it to be, and then you can potentially damage your engine, or more so your turbos, because you're just pushing them back a little past their limits. And so we don't mind being with the catted J-pipe. So should be getting that Q1, and I'm excited about that. Just kind of saving right now. It's like with tax, it's like $1,200. So they're not cheap. But other than that, like I said, things are good. We've got a lot of mods recently, a lot to be thankful for. I said hopefully everybody else is doing well out here and getting everything they want to do to their car done. I've seen a couple people on the forums getting coilovers and new wheels, and kind of buying themselves early holiday presents, which is awesome. So excited kind of for everybody. And I made that video last week about just being excited to see what everybody else is doing in the community. Everybody's got kind of a different goal for what they want their build to be, whether they want to be low and slow, and or if they want to have kind of like a who knows, somebody might make a wide body WRX. But you really never know what somebody else's imagination for their car is, I'm just looking for myself. I'm just looking to make, a little bit more power and kind of fulfill the power, make the most power I can out of what I have. As you guys know, I've spent some serious hours on my tuning with the JB4 and really put a lot of effort into making the most out of what I have. I know and that's probably going to fit what a lot of people need, because not everybody can afford to go out and buy a J-pipe right now, or a big turbo, or all the other mods. So essentially, my goal with what I've been doing and all the tuning I've done to my car is just to make the most out of what I have. And I've been able to help a lot of other people with their cars as well, to make the most power out of their WRX. So we've got a couple new people recently tuned. One guy, he was telling me the comparison between map 5 and the map 6 that we helped him build was massive. He said the car pulled significantly harder, it felt way better, and it felt way better up top. So kind of what we do, what I'm doing is with the tuning is we are making sure, rather than we're making some adjustments, and rather than the turbo running out of steam and having a little bit of a drop off, extending that turbo's power all the way until the red line. I think I said I'm happy to send anybody my charts, but when you look at my chart, I have all the way up until 6,000 RPM, and even a little bit past 6,000 RPM. I'm running 20 pounds of boost. So there's unless I went with a bigger turbo, it's not really going to make any more boost. I've got it completely maxed out for that particular setting. So it's pretty exciting, and it's exciting to see other people's experiences. We had one guy where he switched from, he went from map 1 to a custom map 6, and the power difference is immense. He just was ecstatic. So I'm happy to help anybody with that, and I'm excited to see what other people are doing, especially for the holidays, if they're getting new mods for their cars, or whether it be speakers, or really anything. Like I said, I love I love checking out your guys' channels. So if anybody, if you have anything cool, drop a link. I drop a link. You can email it to me. You can post it in the comment section. Like I said, I don't mind. I'm happy to check out your channel, subscribe, and kind of see what you're doing. Because like I said, so many people are doing what I'm doing, but there's a handful of people that are doing different things. And I love seeing what everybody's vision is. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And he says, if anybody has any questions about the JB4 or really anything, just shoot me a message. I'm really happy to help out anyone. All right, I'm gonna sign out.